Open Fishbone Stitch. This stitch is often used to make a leaf design. Come up at the tip and then push the needle down to make a vertical straight stitch. Below the tip of the leaf and slightly to the left of the first point, come down to the bottom of the straight stitch diagonally so that you are on the right of it at the bottom. And then pull the needle through so that you have a slight cross. Then push your needle up to the right of the tip of the stitch. And then come down on the left side. Continue this way, alternating either side and following the outline of the leaf so that the diagonal stitches can create an oval shape.